Good morning, students. Up to now in exercise 3D of playing with numbers, I explained up to fifth problem. Now we are going to learn the sixth one. So what is the greatest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 3, 5, 6 and 7? So first you take this, which is exactly divisible by 3, 5, 6 and 7 means that number should be a common multiple of all these four numbers. Okay, that should be a common multiple of all these four numbers. Then only that number is divisible by all these four numbers. Okay, so common multiple means if you find the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, 6 and 7, you can find the greatest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 3, 5, 6 and 7. So first you find the LCM of the 3, 5, 6 and 7. Then you can go for this first sentence, greatest three-digit number. Okay, by taking the LCM of, finding the LCM of 3, 5 and 6, 7. So first you divide this with the 3. You cannot divide, you can go for with 2 here. Divide with 2 also. I am taking 3 here. 3 ones, 5s, 3 2s, 7. Next 5 ones, 5 ones here. Bring down 1 here. Bring down 2, 7. Next 2. Bring down all ones and 2 ones are 2, 7. Here 7. One time here. So we are getting all ones. So multiply 3 into 5 into 2 into 7. So now by multiplying this 210 you are getting. So this is the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, 6 and 7. This is the lowest one only. Okay, and a three-digit number also, but he is asking for greatest three-digit number. He is asking for greatest three-digit number. Maybe one more multiples also, one more two more multiples we can take. Okay, by multiplying this 210 until you get the three-digit number, you can find out the greatest three-digit number. Okay, so first you multiply this 210, take the all the multiples of 210. 210 ones are 210 only. 210 2s how much here? 200, 200, 420 are getting. 210 3s how much? 300, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. This is also three-digit number. Next 2 10s, 4s are how much? 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 2s are 8. So this is also a three-digit number and multiple of these four numbers. And 210 5s may be greater than this. 5 zeros, 5 ones, 5 2s are 10. So this is a four-digit number. So this is the three-digit number and greatest common multiple of the all these four numbers. Okay, all the multiples of 210 also the multiples of the common multiple of the all the four numbers. Okay, if you take the multiples of the LCM of any given numbers, those multiples also common multiple for the given numbers. Okay, that's why we are taking the multiples of the common LCM. So first multiple is 210, second multiple is 420, third is 630, fourth is 840, which is also three-digit number, but fifth multiple is 1050, which is four-digit number. But he is asking only that should be three-digit number and greatest amongst them. So 840 is the greatest three-digit number which is divisible by 3, 5, 6 and 7. So by multiplying 210 with 4, we will get 840, which is the required greatest three-digit number. So like that you have to find. So first you have to find the LCM, and for that LCM you have to take the multiples until you get a greatest three-digit number. So by multiplying with 5 you are getting four-digit number. That's why you have to stop here and take this one only. So 840 is the greatest three-digit number. It is divisible by the given numbers. Next, seventh one, find the least number which when divided by 25, 30 and 70 leaves a remainder 11. Leaves a remainder 11. The least number which when divided by these three numbers means that is a multiple of common multiple of these three numbers first. So first you have to find out the LCM. Okay, if you divide that LCM with all these three numbers, that should leave remainder 11. Means if you add the 11 to that LCM, you will get the required number. Okay, so first you find the LCM. So here I am taking 2 here, so 25 cannot divide, so bring down. So 2 15s, 2 35s here. Here all I can divide with 5. Just I can take 5 here, 5 5s, 5 3s, 5 7s. Here 5 1s, so 3 7. Here I can take 3 here, 3 1s. I can take 7 here, 7 1s. Now from multiply here, 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 7 is you are getting 1050. Okay. So now this is the common multiple which when divided by 25, 30 and 70, that should leave 11. Means this number would be 11 more than this number. Then only it will leave remainder 11. Okay. That's why you have to add 11 to this number. Okay. 1050 plus 11 is equal to 1061. Then now this number, if you want to if you divide this number with 20, what is this, 25 and 30 and 70, any one of the numbers, it leaves 11 because we are adding 11 to this number. After dividing, definitely this number leaves 11. Okay, if this type of problems are coming, that remainder which you have to leave, you have to add in the last step after getting the LCM. After finding the LCM, you have to add 11 to get the answer. Okay, so now this is the 7th problem. Next one, 4 different electronic devices make a sound after every 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour and 1 hour 45 minutes respectively. Okay, different electronic devices are there, they make some sound. How they are making the sound? After every 30 minutes one device, after every 1 hour another device, after every 1.5 hour another device, third device, after every 1 hour 45 minutes fourth device is making sound. Okay, if all the devices made a sound together at 12 noon, all the devices make a sound. Okay, then what time will they make a sound together again? At what time will they make a sound together again means, so this type of problem, for this type of problems you have to take the least common multiple of the all the timings, times. So before going to finding out the LCM of the all the timings, first all the timings you have to convert them into minutes, because here hours and minutes are different measurements are there. So first one is given only 30 minutes, so you keep it like that only. So the time duration of the second device to make the sound is 1 hour. 1 hour means you can convert directly, which is 60 minutes. Okay, time duration for third device is 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So 1 hour means 60, half hour means 30. So 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. Okay, for the fourth device it is 1 hour 45 minutes it takes to make the sound. So 1 hour means 60, 45 minutes is 45, 60 plus 45, 105 minutes. Now you know the time of all the devices exactly in all the times in minutes only. Okay, all the timings should be in a same units only. Okay, all the timings are in the same units which are in minutes. Now you can take the LCM of 30, 60, 90 and 105. Okay, if you take the LCM of these numbers, you will get 1260 minutes. Okay, so this is the procedure to find out the LCM. First I am taking 2 here, 2 15s, 2 30s, 2 45s, 2 here 105 bring down. So here 2 15, 15 cannot be divisible. So 15 are 30, 45 cannot be divisible, 105 not divisible. So here I am taking 3 5s, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are 45. Here 3 35s are 105. Here 5 1s, 5 1s, 5 3s, 5 7s, next 3, next 7, 7 1 7. So multiplying all these numbers we will get 1260 minutes. Okay, this is the lowest common multiple of all these numbers. Okay, if you divide this 1260 minutes with 60, you will get the time in hours. Okay, you will get the time in hours because the time is given in hours. So 62 is 120, 60 are 61 is 60. So 21 hours. This 1260 minutes means 21 hours. So for every 21 hours, all the devices will make a sound together. Every 21 hours. Okay. So means since at 12 noon all the devices made a sound means after 21 hours means next day 9 a.m. it will come. Okay. 21 hour means 9 a.m. They will make the sound together. Next day 9 a.m. they will make the sound again together. Okay. Today afternoon 12 they made a sound. After 21 hours means what? Next day 9 hours it will come. Okay. Then they will make the sound together. Okay. This is the 8th problem. Next, the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 15 and 450 respectively. If one of the numbers is 90, find the other number. Here this relation, there is a relation between given numbers and HCF and LCM of the given numbers. This we learnt in the 5th class also. So once again we will revise this. We know the relation between the LCM and HCF of the two given numbers as first number into second number if two numbers only given. This procedure is used only for two numbers. First number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. HCF of the two numbers and LCM of these two numbers. So now if any three of these values you know, you can find out the fourth value. Okay, how can you find out? So you know here what are the given here? The HCF and LCM of two numbers are given. 15 and 440 is given. These two numbers are given, and one of the numbers also given, which is 90. First number is given. You have to find out the second number. Okay, you have to find out the second number. So now you can substitute all these values in this expression. First, in place of first number I am writing 90 into second number is equal to HCF is given 15, here I am writing 15 into LCM is given 440, here I am writing 440. Okay, now how can you find out the second number? So first divide the both sides by 90. Okay, now I want only second number here, that's why I want to remove 90 in the left side. That's why I am dividing both the sides with the 90 here. So since I want to remove 90, I am dividing both the sides with 90 here. 90 gets cancelled here. 91s here, 91s here. 90 how many times? 5 times. 9 5s are 45. That's why 95s are 440 here. 0 gets cancelled. 9 5s are 45. So 15 5s are 75. So here second number is equal to, here 1 gets cancelled here. Okay, that's why you can write only second number is equal to 15 5s are 75. So this is the answer. Like this you can find out any one of these four numbers. If three numbers are given, any one of these four numbers, you can find out the fourth value. Okay, so this already you know in the 5th class. This is a formula also. First number into second number. You have to remember this one. First number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay. So now I am going to 10th one. Tina has to make gift hampers of 40 cookies Tina has to make gift hampers of 40 cookies, 24 chocolates and 16 juice packs. The gift hampers have to be same and contain at least one of each item. Gift hampers have to be same and contain at least one of each item of these three items. What is the maximum number of such gift hampers she can make so that no item is left? No item should be left. What is the maximum number of gift hampers she can make by using these means? You have to find out the HCF, highest common factor. Maximum number is highest common factor. To find the maximum number of gift hampers which contain at least one of each item so that no items is left, we have to find out the HCF of 40, 24 and 16. Okay, so 2 20s, 2 12s, 2 8s, 2 10s, 2 6, 2 4s. Here I am using common division method for HCF. 2 5s, 2 3s, 2 2s. Now there is no other prime number which can divide all these three numbers. Stop here. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So HCF of these three numbers is 8. So the maximum number of gift hampers we can make is 8 only. Okay. So in each gift hamper, 5 cookies, 3 chocolates, 2 juice packets will be there. Okay. 5 cookies, 3 chocolates, 2 juice packets will be there. So like that she can make 8 gift hampers. Okay. So now I am going to the next one. 11. A rectangular floor is 2016 centimeters long and 1560 centimeters broad. It is to be paved with square tiles of the same size. Find the least possible number of such tiles. So this is a rectangular floor. Okay, this is a rectangular floor which is having the length 216 centimeters length is there and 560 centimeters breadth is there. It is to be paved with square tiles like this. Okay, square tiles you have to pave which have the same size. Now find the least possible number of such tiles. How many tiles it requires to pave here, you have to find out. Okay, to find the greatest length of one tile, we have to find the HCF of the given length and breadth of total rectangular floor. Okay. So finding out the HCF of 2016 and 1560. So 2 how many times maximum? 1008. Here 2 780 times. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros. Here 2 8s are 16. Here 1 you can divide 0 times only. That's why I am writing 0. You should not write 108. Okay, 1008 times only. Here 2 7s are 14. 1 will be there. 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 0 0. Here again 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0, 2 4s are 8. Here 2 3s are 6, 1 is the remainder 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 0 0. Here 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder 19. Next 2 9s are 18, 1 is the remainder again 10, 2 5s are 10. Next with the 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 1 is the remainder 12, 3 4s are 12. Next 3 6s are 18, 1 is the remainder 15, 3 5s are 15. So there is no other common factor which can divide 84 and 65. So leave it. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 which is 24. The greatest length of one tile is 24 centimeters. Okay. So the area of one square tile having length 24 centimeters is 576 square centimeters. Okay. So the area of one square tile having length or side also. You can tell that length it is called as the side 24 centimeters is side into side. You know what is the area of the square? Side into side, which is 576 square centimeters. This is the area of one tile. This is the area of one tile. Okay, if you know the area of one tile here, if you know the area of one tile here, to find out how many tiles you can, it can be how many tiles are required to pave the total area means you have to divide the total area with the area of one tile. You have to divide the total area with the area of one tile. Okay, so first find the area of the rectangle also. Okay, so I wrote here least possible number of such tiles can be paved is equal to total area of the floor by area of one tile. Total area of the floor means what here? Area of the floor is which is in the form of rectangular shape. So length into breadth you have to take. So because the area of the floor is length into breadth, I am writing 2016 into 1560 by area of one tile we got here 576. So now you cancel this by using the cancellation method, or if you don't know the cancellation method, you have to multiply these two numbers and then you have to divide this number with 576 manually by using the division method, normal division method. Okay, otherwise you see here how to use the cancellation method. I already explained you in the previous classes and fifth class also how to do this cancellation method. Once again listen here carefully. First I am taking which number? Here I am taking 8 here first, 8 table. Here 576 with 8 table, 8 7s 56 here, you can divide maximum. 1 will be the remainder, 16, 8 2s 16. Okay, that's why it is 72. Okay, 8 7s 56 and 1 will be the remainder, 16, 8 2s 16. Next I am taking here this 2016, 8 2s 16, 4 will be there, 41. Okay, after dividing this 20 with 8, 8 2s 16 means 4 will be the remainder here. Okay, 41, 8 5s 40, then 1 will be the remainder in 41. So again 16 is there, 8 2s 16. Okay, up to here it is over. Next 12 table, if you take 12 6s 72 here directly. Here 12 2s 24 in 25, 12 2s 24, 1 will be the remainder 12, 12 1s 12. Okay, this is over. Next here 6 will be there here. Okay, 6 1s 6. Next by using 6 table I am taking these two numbers. Okay, 6 1s 6. Here 6 2s 12 maximum here. 3 will be there after dividing this 15 with 6. 6 2s 12 means 3 will be the remainder, 36. 6 6s 36. 0 means 6 zeros zeros. So now there is no divide here in the denominator, there is no divisor here, so you can multiply these two numbers. 21 into 260 is 5460. So this is the number of square tiles can be paved in the total floor area. This is the number of square tiles can be paved in the total floor area. So first we are finding out the greatest length of one tile. Greatest length of one tile by taking the HCF of these two numbers you can find out the greatest length of the one tile. Once you find out the length of one tile, that means side of one tile, square length, you can find out the area of one tile value. If you find out the area of one tile here, if you find out the area of one tile here, if you divide this total area with the area of one tile, you can find out the total number of tiles you can pave on the rectangular floor. Okay, so how can you find out the total area? You know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So this is length and this is breadth. So this is the total area of the floor by area of one tile. So now if you divide these two numbers, you will get the total number of tiles, which is 5460 square tiles can be paved in the total floor area. Next, 3 tankers contain 434 liters, 465 liters and 403 liters of fuel respectively. 3 tankers. In one tanker 434 liters fuel is there, another one 465 liters is there, another one 403 liters of fuel is there. So what should be the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the fuel of the 3 containers exact number of times? Exact number of times you have to measure, and that container should be a maximum capacity. Means what is the meaning of this? You have to find out the highest common factor of this one, that divide all the numbers minimum number of times. Okay, maximum capacity means that can divide all the numbers exactly in the minimum number of times. So if you take the I am taking the long division method, because all the numbers are nearer to each other and it will be easy to you to divide the numbers. That's why I am taking this method. So 434 I am going to divide with 403. So you are getting 31 as the remainder. Now divide this 403 with 31 with 13 times. Okay, so this 31 is the HCF for these two numbers. Now divide this third number with 31. 15 times you divide. So 31 is the HCF of all these 3 numbers. So this 31 liters is the maximum capacity of container, which can measure the fuel in exact number of times. So the maximum capacity of container is 31 liters. Okay. So next, Rajan saves 5 rupees 75 paise daily. Find the least number of days in which he will be able to save an exact number of rupees. Find the least number of days in which he will be able to save an exact number of rupees. So he is given a hint also. Find the LCM of 575 and 100 first. Okay. So first, why he is given here like this means, first you have to convert these rupees into pies first. Okay, if you convert these rupees, 5 rupees 75 paise in pies, for 1 rupee 100 paise. So for 5 rupees 500 paise, 500 plus this 75 paise is 575 paise you will get. Okay, for 1 rupee 100 paise, for 5 rupees 500 paise, and 75 paise more is there. So 500 plus 75 is 575 paise. If you convert this 5 rupees 75 paise into paise. Okay, if you take the LCM of 575 and 100, you will get 2300 paise. Okay, 2300 paise you will get. Okay, to find the number of days he has to save, we have to divide 2300 by 575 paise. 2300 by 575 paise, you will get 4 days. The least number of days to save exact number of rupees is 4 days. Then in 4 days he can save the exact number of rupees. Okay. So next one, Sami, Keya, Mona decided to go for a morning walk daily. Sami, Keya and Mona decided to go for a morning walk daily and decided to step off together from the standing point. Their steps measure 85 centimeters, 50 centimeters and 75 centimeters respectively. what is the maximum distance each would walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Okay, Sami, Kaya, Mona decided to go for a morning walk daily and decided to step off together from the standing point. Their steps measure 85 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 75 centimeters respectively. What is the minimum distance each would walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Okay, so this is same as the problem which we solved in the previous one, which is electronic devices. They make sound at a particular time, and after how many hours they will make the sound together. That problem is similar to this one. Okay, they are starting at a same point, and they have started morning walk, and at which place they will meet again, you have to find out. At which place they will meet again, you have to find out, because their step length is different. One is having 85 centimeters step length, one is having 50 centimeters step length, and another one 75 centimeters. So if you find out the LCM of these three numbers, you can find out at which minimum distance they will meet again, or they will cover the same distance. We can find out. Okay, to find out the minimum distance each would walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps, we have to take the LCM of their steps measures. So if you take the LCM of these three numbers, 5 17s, 5 10s, 5 15s, here 17, 5 2s, 5 3s, here 17, 2 1s, 3s, 17 you have to bring down 1, 3 1s, 17 1s, 1s, 1s. So by multiplying all these numbers, you will get 2550 centimeters you will get. So each person should walk a minimum distance of 2550 centimeters to cover the same distance. Okay, this is the least common multiple of all these three numbers, which is 85, 50 and 75. Okay, so that's why after covering 2550 centimeters minimum distance, that is also a minimum distance, which is a least common multiple of these three numbers. Okay, after covering minimum of distance only, this distance only, they will meet together. Okay, so this is the last exercise. Up to here this chapter is over. Okay, so all of you write the notes after listening this, and I also send these notes through WhatsApp. Good day to all of you.